The radiation left over from the Big Bang is the same as that in your microwave oven, but very much less powerful. It would heat your pizza to only minus 271.3 degrees Celsius. Not much good for defrosting the pizza, let alone cooking it. Stephen Hawking. I'm Mike with List 25, and here are 25 intense facts about radiation and its crazy effects. 25. The crew of a submerged nuclear submarine are actually exposed to less radiation than somebody standing on dry ground. This is due to various factors, including less background radiation. 24. The power plant at Chernobyl is still emitting radiation, and there's a good chance that the containment structure may collapse, leading to even more radioactive emissions. 23. Due to the high amount of granite used in its construction, Grand Central Station in New York emits more radiation than what would be allowed even at a nuclear power plant. 22. There's a certain species of fungus in Chernobyl that actually thrives on radiation, Cryptococcus neoformans. 21. The average smoker receives an annual dose of radiation equivalent to about 300 chest x-rays due to radioactive isotopes in the smoke. 20. On December 24, 2004, Earth was blasted by the largest amount of radiation ever recorded. It came from a neutron star nearly 50,000 light-years away. 19. Bananas are relatively radioactive. 18. Due to cosmic radiation hitting their retinas, astronauts will sometimes see bright flashes when they close their eyes. 17. Pilots and flight attendants are exposed to more radiation in a year than some nuclear power plant workers. For this reason, they are officially classified as radiation workers. 16. A small amount of uranium, a handful, has about as much radiation as 10 bananas. I told you those bananas are radioactive. 15. The Manhattan Project tested the effects of radiation on citizens in some pretty outlandish ways, including feeding babies radioactive oatmeal. 14. Albert Stevens was injected with plutonium during a Manhattan Project experiment. He survived its radioactive effects for 20 years and would eventually become the longest surviving human being that was exposed to such high levels of radiation. 13. Vladimir Pravik was a firefighter who responded to the blast at Chernobyl. It's said that his eyes turned from brown to blue because of the radiation. 12. The United States originally denied that atomic bombs cause lingering radioactivity. They even cited this as Japanese propaganda. 11. After Marie Curie discovered radium, it was used in everything, from toothpaste to candy. Of course, it had very negative health effects. 10. People living near coal power plants are exposed to more radiation than those living near nuclear power plants. 9. A toy called the Gilbert U-238 Atomic Energy Laboratory was sold during the 1950s. It came with real live ore samples. 8. In a few thousand years, when binary star system WR-104 explodes in a supernova, it could blast Earth with enough radiation to cause mass extinction. 7. The American flags placed on the moon have all been bleached white due to radiation from the sun. 6. Roughly 1% of the static from an untuned analog TV is due to cosmic background radiation left over from the Big Bang. 5. Soybeans near Chernobyl have been found to develop anti-radiation defenses. This may prove helpful to humans in the future. 4. After studying life around Chernobyl and other nuclear disaster zones, radiation may have facilitated genetic mutations that helped various species to survive. 3. Although it is true that cell phones emit radiation, so do people. In fact, you emit more radiation than your cell phone does. 2. Industrial waste products such as arsenic are more dangerous to humans than an equivalent amount of nuclear waste products. 1. We are constantly bombarded by radiation every day. Most of it is harmless. It is only ionizing radiation that can be harmful in high enough doses, X-rays, gamma rays, etc. Enjoying our lists? Be sure to click that subscribe button in the top right corner so you don't miss out on new ones every Monday through Friday. Share them with your friends and help us consistently conciliate curiosity. And if you want even more lists, check out these 2 videos here, or just head to our website at list25.com.